What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from MGM Classic Cars.com in Addison, Illinois. And today I'm bringing you a new video on our new arrival, 1982 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Man, what a cool car. I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions on it. First off, as you can see, I do have the car running under the hood. 4.4 liter V8. Very short-lived, also known as the 265. Small V8 that GM made. And they actually run really good. At least this one does. Runs really good. Runs really nice. Got a nice rumble to it. Air conditioning. Awesome car. Original paint, of course. At least I believe it is original. Interior is immaculate, not one flaw. As you can hear, they put dual exhaust. It sounds really nice. 90,000 original miles on the odometer. Wood grain, no cracks in the dash, which is very uncommon because these dashboards on these G bodies really crack. Column shift, shifts nice. Everything works as it should. Retro sound radio, subwoofer control, all your climate controls. Awesome car. Power windows. I do have an inspection sheet on the website, so check that out to see what works and what does not. We have the full inspection. All of our vehicles are inspected. Let's open the trunk. As you can see, really nice mat in here. I have underneath photos as well. You can see that this car is a really solid car. No rot anywhere. Very uncommon for these G bodies. These G bodies really rusted badly, and we look for clean ones all the time. We found this one. As you can see, it was meticulously maintained just by the condition of the car. The interior, it's in really nice shape. The trim is in nice shape. You can see the car looks like it's never been in an accident. Your body lines are straight. Your windows are in good shape. Just a cool old school cruiser. I love G bodies. These are absolutely my favorite cars. You know, me owning two of them personally, and we have tons of them at MGM all the time. We get them, and they always sell right away because they're just cool cars. Power seats that work. Power seat, the bench. Just really cool. Like I said, all your doors open. It's got electric locks, power locks. It's got the power windows. Just a cool car. I mean, love this thing. These doors on these G bodies were always really heavy and hard to close. This one closes beautifully, lines up great. The body's in really nice shape on this car. A few dings, little dings here and there, but like right there. But all stuff that could be done easily, paintless dent removal to make it perfect. But like I said, I do have an inspection sheet to see what works and what does not work and all that. We do inspect all of our vehicles. And this one, like I said, we just got this car in today, and man, is this car a beauty. I love it. So please stop on by or give us a call at 847-848-1850. We have special financing available with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States. Bonded and insured and enclosed. Send your zip code to the phone number 847-848-1850 for a shipping quote. We have 200 cars here that we own. So stop on by. I know that you will find something that you'll love. So stop on by, everybody. I want to thank everybody for watching. And I want to remind everybody that this car sure looks good here, but it will look a whole lot better in your garage. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you soon here at MGM Classic Cars. We're open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. All by appointment only. So call ahead, make an appointment on the website, contact us. We're looking forward to seeing you. Mr. Jenkins out. Have a nice day.